Everybody wants abs, everybody wants a six-pack. The ab wheel is one of the best pieces of equipment to use to get your six-pack fast. The problem is, most people do it wrong. In this video, I want to show you how to do it right. Here's how you do the ab wheel correctly. Most of the time, when people are doing the ab wheel, I see them doing this. They go down, that's fine, and then they come back, but they use their hamstrings to pull themselves back, right? You're not working the abs, you're working the hamstrings where you do this. Like you're moving your butt back and forth. Or they use their arms to push themselves up, right? And that works your lat muscles in your back more than your abs. The correct way is to go all the way down, and then your back should like curl upwards, like a cat. Your butt should not move back and forth. It should actually stay stationary. So, go down, and then curl. Think about curling your back, almost like there's a string connected to your back and just kind of lifting it up. That way you can engage the ab muscles, and it uses the abs to pull yourself forward. That way you're not pulling with your arms, right? You're not pushing yourself over your arms, right? And you're not pulling yourself back with your hamstrings and your glutes. So again, this is right. This is wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. And this is wrong. This is correct. See how my back is like a cat and my butt is not going backwards? That's the correct way. Now once you've mastered doing it on your knees, pause, you want to work up to doing it standing, like so. That's a lot more advanced. It's gonna take you some time to work up to that level of proficiency, but it's okay. Start where you are with what you have, and you'll get there in no time, and you'll have the six-pack you wanted in a record time.